Okay, so next we have an unboxing from canadianprepardness.com, the most epic survival store ever. I mean, the stuff they have on there is epic, but to be honest, they're out of stock on a lot of other stuff, which is very disappointing, and I've been wanting to buy some stuff there for months, and they still haven't restocked. Very upsetting, but a really great store with really cool stuff. So we've got already opened the box. So we've got the portable grill, which is pretty cool. The 10 to 30 by 21 monoculars for hunting season, and we've got multi-purpose wipes, like toilet paper tablets or wipe tablets. Really great for hunting or whatever, so I don't have to carry around the toilet roll, which saves a lot of space. And we've got the UCO Vapor 300 lumens. I'll do a separate video on all this stuff yet, or I'll do a separate video on all of it, which is really cool. I mean, we've also got a stainless steel flask. I mean, that's really cool. I mean, that so I can drink liquor and stuff while I hunt. And then we've got Titan Stormproof match. I love starting fires. The Titan matches are so cool. Let's see if I can just open it real quick so I can show you the size. But the Titan matches, I thought I bought the smaller ones, but some giant matches. We've got let's see, we got a bunch of rolls of wipes that are already in tubes. That's so cool. That's the coolest thing ever. I mean, the wipes are already in tubes. And we've also got a little sharpening stone that's to sharpen knives with and stuff. And we've got this little got that little salt and pepper shaker. I'm not sure how good the view is, but it opens on both ends to put salt in the thing. It closes up pretty tight, so it can really cool anyways, so for a little seasoning and stuff. And we've got the titanium utility sport. It's got a little serrated edge on one side for knife and fork. Spoon, titanium, super lightweight and durable. That is so freaking cool. And we've got the learn how-to cards for knots and stuff. I also want to do a suturing one, so I can do field sutures. But that's all the stuff I've got, which is really, really cool stuff. Canadian Preparedness is a great store. I would definitely check them out if I went there. Oh, almost forgot. We've got fat rope on a stick, or fat rope stick. Cool fire tinder. I mean, I love starting fires. It's really cool, and that's a lot of tinder that's waterproof and stuff. It's great stuff. We'll test it all out yet and see what happens.